Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and what we talked about yesterday is what did the bears have to do in order to progress this market to the downside. We talked about two things. We're going to hop right over to the hourly because this is what's important. You had the potential double bottom here and here, 27.04 half. So overnight, they went ahead and they did a double bottom, which we call a potential double bottom, which now I can go in and get rid of the word potential because we got a double bottom until it's not, okay? We talked about how the weekly pivot of 18, and at the time, the 9-day, which was at 21, the 9-day simple, 18 to 21 had to stay resistance all day long. Didn't get it done. Now we establish a higher low in Globex. Looks like we're coming back to test the hourly midband. If that holds, I would expect higher highs. You guys know how this movie ends. We've seen this before, okay? You're putting in support. You're not holding weekly pivot. You're creating higher lows. You've got the 33 area that's an issue. It was an issue yesterday, was an issue this morning. Once it gets through there, then you have to look at 41.75 and how that's going to react. It's a great day in the room. I mean, the tape perked up, did what it needed to do. We had the long off the open. We had the short down from there, and so it was basically long, short, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades that were day makers. We had a 27 handle day, which put us where we wanted to be with the week. And we got long against 20 in the overnight. We're long 22 half. We took a 10 handle middle not too long ago, and now we're letting the runner work. So it's nice to see the tape perk up. You know, compression tapes are going to frustrate people for a few days. They're going to chop you up. But then they snap back and things get to where they need to be. So we're sitting at the week, you know, about a 30-something handle week, going on 40 with a couple days to go. Can't ask for anything more than that. As far as today is concerned, I'm going to keep my eye on the daily midband. Not the daily, the hourly midband, I'm sorry. 26 half. 33 up top, 26 half down below, and then last night's lows, which came in just around 20, but 20 quarter. If the bulls are for real, if we're going to go where it could go, that's got to hold. This has to break, and then the test is up here at 42. The issue is not at 33. The issue is at 42. If you convert 42, you can go do 50. Now, if this is just kind of hot, you know, doing a little bit of a lower high versus here, then this must remain resistance. 33 has got to hold all day long. You break it all, including 18, and then maybe you don't get the 04 half today, but you certainly have to get it tomorrow. So the bears can have a day. I mean, they can create a trading range here between 27.04 and 27.33. I'll take a 29 handle trading range anytime. There's plenty of elbow room to get a lot done there. Whether that's what this thing wants to do yet is up in the air. But those are the two main scenarios for me. But we're going to do what we always do, which is trade what's in front of us, trade price and risk, and go from there. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out on social later. We'll get at least one video out today over on Instagram and Twitter. Until then, trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.